Welcome back, everyone. Today we are going to record a put that was a cash secured put that we sold. So let's get right to it. Here we are in Ameritrade, our Ameritrade paper trading account that we are running the wheel strategy on Marvell, symbol MRVL. And so January 16th we had sold a put, a cash secured put at a strike price of $40.50. And looks like we got $86 for that. So what we need to do is go over to the website and record that. Okay, so here we are on the website, myatmm.com. We're on the dashboard currently. We need to go over to the cost basis page and go select Marvell for the stock symbol. And what we're going to do is create a new default position. And the date, we're going to backdate this. Having to go back and enter this. So it was a sold to open. It was a put. And we did one contract. The expiration, I believe, was this past Friday, the 20th. And I got the screenshot here of the transaction so we can do this. So, yep, the 16th, we sold to open. It was one contract. The expiration was January 20th. The strike was $40.50 and we got 86 cents for that. So this is $40.50 and we got 86 cents for that. Go ahead and click save, and it disappeared, but where it really went is it went into the puts section that is grouped right here, and you can expand that to see it. And it also added our proposed transaction, because before we add this transaction, notice how the puts is now represented up here from adding this transaction. So now it shows the shares for the puts, and it shows the collateral that we had to put up to do that. Let's go ahead and commit the transaction. So we do that by either typing the transaction down here, or we can click this helper button and it'll move the transaction down. There's something it does not do though, is update this date. So I need to manually go correct that. That's just a bug that will need to get fixed at some point down the road. All right, so in the demo account, we're not accounting for fees or anything like that, which their fees in Ameritrade would have been the 65 cents plus some regulatory fee. So it would have been 65 cents plus that. So it would have been 85 and change, but we're going to just keep it straight up the raw numbers for ease of use. So go ahead and click save. And now that transaction has been saved for the $86, and you can see how the credits had gone up now. So, all right. So that was another $86 collected. That is ours to use as we please immediately. So if we come back over to the dashboard, we can see total premiums collected for January so far is the 407. We've only been running Marvell on here, so the 407 is the same as this because Marvell's the only stock we've been messing with in the paper trading count in the month of January. So that makes the math easier as well. So I hope you enjoyed that quick video on recording the cash secured put transaction into the website. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and go out and get your free account today on myatmm.com. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.